And welcome to, I think I'm just going to start calling this Welcome to the Mess because that's what we have here, but we've got a good mess. I don't mind the mess at all because we are going to start decorating this. I'm so excited because this is the fun part. Look what I found. I've had this for a while. I know you hear me say that all the time. I think I picked this up a long time ago at Hobby Lobby. And I just found it. I first thought, nah, I thought no, but I'm thinking maybe, how would that look? Not sure. Also, I'm thinking about great big bell. I love these bells. I would not keep this on, obviously, but I'm thinking this journal can certainly hold this size of a bell. So I'm thinking about that. Then I've got, you'll remember these. So I'm really trying to decide. Love the size of that stocking on the cover, but look at how cute this is. It's got a snowman and a house, and look at how cute that would be. So my mind is really headed towards a snowman. So we're just gonna have to see how it goes. But meanwhile, I'm gonna leave the cover for the very last. I opened this up and I thought, do I really want to put anything else on here? And I truly don't think so. I think that is just pretty cute. But I might add one of the Santa. We've got that cute little Santa tag. But I might add, I love these guys. I think I just might add this little Santa there. He's pretty thick. Maybe that won't work. Thought that would be cute, but he's pretty thick. But I'm going to put them somewhere. So I think this, I'm just going to leave this. I am going to leave all the coffee tea dyed paper. Every page has there's only one page that has a stamp. An ink stamp, but all the other coffee tea dyed papers have Tim Holtz rub-ons, and on the opposite side, each one of them has some type of Christmas washi tape. So then we come to this page. This page is, this is probably going to be my kind of like reveal. I don't know if I'll do a formal reveal of this before I put it in my shop. Look how cute this is, double washi tape. This tag opens up so that there's lots of writing space, but isn't that just adorable? I do want to put something on here, and I'm wondering, do I want to go something big? Do I want like a poinsettia flower? Do we want, I don't think I'd want a Santa, although, hey, that is cute. Oh boy, this is the most fun, but this can be hard. Do we want a Christmas tree? Oh, Christmas tree is really cute. But I was truly thinking of a poinsettia. Oh my goodness. I think I'm going to use the Christmas tree. I really do. I think. Not the white. Don't like the white. So we are down to what I thought would be easy choices. Now we're just on the second page and we're down to 3 choices. Poinsettia is really pretty. Christmas tree is really cute. Santa is really cute. Boy. I could do that. I think I'm going to do that. So I am going to hot glue this on there. Make sure I didn't get this at all, and I didn't. And I am going to put the poinsettia up at the top, right up there like that. I just think it needs that three-dimensional look, and I really, really like that. Once again, let me just check and make sure, and I did not get any of that there. That is just really, really cute. And then on this side, we have got 2 tags. This here, I cut off like this, but this technically could be 3 tags, 1, 2, and 3. I'm gonna leave this just because of bulk. And then I'm wondering if I wanna put a little, how cute is he? Look at these are handmade. There's a tiny little Christmas tree with, I'm not sure if those are flowers or if those are supposed to be bells. Doesn't really do anything for this. So I think I'm going to leave this as it is. I hate to cover this up. So I'm going to let that go. Here's a believe, and here is the washi tape. And then I got to this and was thinking about adding a snowflake. And the snowflake is cute. Then I was thinking of adding a soldier, but I'm afraid because this flips up, this here opens up so that you have writing space. So we don't want to make that. I think I had tags on there, I did. We don't want to make this so that you cannot open that up, but I'm wondering now if maybe one of these Christmas trees would be really cute here. Or we, oh, look at that. We're going to do that. So I am just going to try not to burn myself. Get some hot glue. Get that on there. And I think we'll just take one of these trees and we're going to hot glue this right on the center, just to give this just something there. Look at how cute that looks. And I drop my little white kitty. That's really cute. And then this inside has got 3 tags. So that's good. And I'm wondering if we want to do anything up on top. I did no lace in this book. I think it would fight with this, so we're going to leave it. And then we come to these. I added, this is a tag just because we have the back of this paper clip. So I wanted to put the tags in there. We could put something up here. How about that? Would be cute. Let's see if that's gonna fight our tag at all here. I don't want the back of that to show, so obviously if I put that there, it is going to fight. We don't want it to fight. No fighting allowed. So let's see what we have, we could put, this would be cute. The, let's do that, because that is really cute. We're going to put the little red truck. And I'm going to use the hot glue because I've got it right here. Just makes it easy. You know, it's a visual thing. Look how cute that looks. And what was on this page? Okay, yeah, it's just a visual thing, but look at how cute, and the red pulls the eye down, so that's cute. Rub-ons here. This is the envelope flap, and if you remember, I spoke about using this paper clip to hold the flap down because it is a tuck, and so I created, look at how cute this tag is. So we've got a lot of Tim Holtz on there, so that is underneath the tag, just like that. And then it holds this down, and I should put something, I think I'll put a charm on this. So I will have a, we will go through this because I'm going to have to go ahead and do just a couple more things. I put the wish on there so it gave a little bit more writing space. And then there's two tags there. Then I was going to glitter this, decided not to glitter it because some people just don't like glitter, and this is going in my shop. Then there's two tags here. I'll show those with the reveal. So do we want to do something here? Maybe add another snowflake because those are snow globes. So let's see what that would look like. Really doesn't do much. Don't care for that at all. And what else do I have sitting here? What can we play with here? Maybe, because there's snowmen, I could add a snowman there, and that would be really cute, wouldn't it? Look at that. I think we will, just because that is so cute. And I just saw up here a pearl, and so maybe we put a pearl on top of this guy's snowball. So a little hot glue right there, and hopefully I can get this on there. Without burning myself. Yeah, he needs that. Then we're gonna hot glue the back. It will cover up these birds, but that's okay. So a little hot glue on here. And we will put him right there. Really cute. Yep, that was the call. This kind of has this glittery effect without all that glitter that can get all over. Then we have this page here where this opens up. I'm going to leave this because that's a great journaling space. Cute postcard, what I did here. I'm going to leave this. This is a book, so I will show this in the reveal. I don't think I did put a rub-on on here, so I think I am going to leave this the way that it is. I don't know, maybe we can do, let's see what I've got here. I don't need all that gold. Do a poinsettia. I can get this open. Let's see. doesn't really, it adds nothing, so we're not going to do that. Let's see what else I've got here. Got a candy cane. Look how cute this is. There isn't really anywhere to put this. I could hang this candy cane off of there, maybe. Yeah. All right, we're gonna leave that. Then here's the sleigh, and you gonna do anything to the sleigh? We could add. Doesn't really need it. Nope, I think we're gonna leave the sleigh. That's really cute, isn't it? Maybe we should do that. Handmade and beaded. Look at that, guys. Isn't it just so pretty? Look at that. That's really cute. Let's do it. My friend Dana, believe it or not, she was going to throw these out. Well, she was going to give them away, is what she was going to do. Just give them away. And I was lucky enough to get them. She didn't want them, and I just couldn't believe that she didn't want them because they are adorable. Look at that. And they're all handmade. You know how many hours had to have been spent doing that? Lots of them. And we have a doily. And do we want anything on this? Let's see. Christmas trees. How about the white? I wonder if a snowflake would be good. Here, the red really doesn't show up. I wonder, what would this look like? If I put this on, that's pretty. Let's do this. This one show up better? I think that's a better design. So we're going to use this. And of course, I don't want to burn myself. I've burned myself plenty when I was doing floral work. Oh, you have no idea. And then we can use the red. That is what the white would look like. I still like the white. Let's use the white. There we go. That looks so cute. Wait till you see what I did with this when we do the reveal. It's adorable. And then we have this side. Do we want to do the same thing? We have that, so it might be really, really cute to do the same thing, only maybe in red. So let's do it. We have the snowflake, so let's use it. And if you remember, I punched the snowflake out at the top, so there's kind of a theme going on that matches, and it's pretty cute. So there we go. Here is the center. Okay, this is a coaster. I wonder if maybe this is what we need, guys. Maybe that's the perfect place for that. Or what else do we have? Look at this sled. It's got a little jingle bell. Look at that. Just look at the work. Oh, that's perfect there. And I'm thinking, because I'm not going to use these as ornaments, that's what this was made for, was an ornament. Would be pretty on my tree. But it is going in here, and I think that's perfect. So I think what I'm going to do, once I glue this down, you're not going to be able to get it up. So I'm going to cut this off. And I'm going to, oh, that is just gorgeous. So if this book does not sell, I am going to keep it. It will stay with me for sure. Because it's just filled with really cute treasures. I just can't even imagine sitting down and doing this beadwork. So cute. Okay, then we've got, this is kind of old-timey looking. And maybe this would be a great place for a soldier. Which one? Yeah. What's this guy? Beautiful. Really beautiful. Okay. Then we've got this. I'll show you what I did with that in the reveal. We've got this. I'm wondering if this might just need a couple poinsettias or maybe a Christmas tree. Could just do Christmas tree right up there. Or maybe let's do that. Perfect. Yeah, that looks good. And we could, do we want two? We don't want, do we want three? One on each? You know what? I think what we're going to do is, I'm going to do this and you can tell me what you think. And then in the center, we're going to do, because it's shiny and bright, we're going to do this. I think that is perfect. Shiny and bright. So all three pockets have something. And I should give the reveal tomorrow. I'm just going to have to finish the cover. This is cute. Don't know that I want to touch it. Then we have this. I don't think I'm touching this. This could use something. This may be the spot for this little guy right there. Wonder if that'll put too much weight on that. It might, but maybe one of the Santas would be really cute. Yeah, Yeah, let's put a Santa on there. This is just filled with so much cuteness. And then on the other side of this, I added an embossed. I don't know if you can see it. If I held it up to the light, you could, and I will with the reveal. And then here, what I did for this is I made a lot of die cuts. And I am filling this with all these die cuts. So that whoever wants this can just come in and play. So die cuts, Christmas die cuts. There we go. Love this the way it is. Really don't think it needs anything at all. Gonna leave it. And then we've got shiny and bright. So I think I am gonna go ahead I'm gonna put one of these up on top right there. Just really think it needs it. And I think I am going to leave this, or do we want a tree? Yeah, that's really, really cute. I am glad I picked these guys up. I mean, it is Christmas. You can't not want trees, bells, flowers. Look at that. It really does add a lot. Then we have a bag here. I have nothing in here. I think I'm going to leave that because you need to be able to fill up and do your own thing. Then we've got this page. And we have the back page. Oh, this goes in. It's a tag, goes in that bag. So I'm looking at this and I'm wondering, that is really cute. I think I'm going to do this. Or get my stuff. I don't think that he works. So I am going to just put a little bit of hot glue here. And we're going to stick him down. And then I'm thinking I like it up at the top, but up at the top might interfere with taking the tags in and out or photos. So I don't want to do that. I really want it to be functional. And then the last page here, this opens up. And I'm thinking I'm going to leave this because it is the back. So let me see. And then I think I probably, if this sells, I think I'll probably just send some extra stuff so that you can play around. But this is so stinking cute. I think this on the cover, it's going to come down to that or this. I don't know. This is really cute. I think I'm going to add this to the cover. Let's check this out. And then I think what I'm going to do is separately, I'm going to come in here and I'm going to do the beadwork. And this will have a ribbon that goes around it. But I think I'm going to do, I'll come in and do beadwork. And I don't know if this needs this or not. So cute. I do like that. I think that's really pretty. All right, let's put this down. Sorry, guys. I know I'm not talking. I'm thinking right now. It's gonna go there, Charlotte. So once it's down, it's down. We're not moving it. You better like it because you can't move it now. I have these that I'm gonna put in with this too. Because I think I didn't see a page where I could use these puffies, but they're so cute. I want them with this book. So now, just one last time. Boy, that is cute though. It's got the little snowflake at the bottom. That is really, really cute. I think I'm going to use this because that just is too cute, guys. I'm going to put that on there. All right. We're going to hot glue this down, and then I am going to get my beads and my bells. Yeah. Figure out what I'm going to do with this, if I'm going to use this or not. It's so cute. I just think it would be really cute. It's big, you know, but if whoever had this didn't want it, they could cut it off, put a ribbon here and put it on your own tree. It's just cute and so festive. So I think I am going to attach it. If I attach this, I don't think I'm going to want this. So it's kind of like, I'm going to have to get my stuff on there. I've got larger bells than this, so if I don't use this, and I love these, if I don't use this, then I'm going to use this. I don't know. I don't know. But tomorrow is my mother's birthday, and we're all getting together and going out and celebrating. So I am going to do a reveal of this. I will finish this up. You're going to be seeing this. This is Friday. You're going to be seeing this on Saturday. And Sunday I will do the reveal. And it will go into my shop. So if you're at all interested in seeing what the finished product looks like, you don't want to miss that. I think I'll put a ribbon on that. Look at that though. Just, oh my gosh, it's so cute. It is just so cute. Yes, Yes, it is. And you'll have to wait for the reveal to see what's inside of everything. Oh, love that. I would go blind doing that. That is just adorable. Too cute. I wonder. Let's put this here. Look at how cute that is. Okay, where can we use the other one? I probably can use the other one right here. There we go. Yep, really cute. Yep, this is the only thing I didn't put anything in. I probably could. No, I'm not going to. Maybe take this. Let's take... I'll put that in there. There we go. All right, so, oh my gosh, this is adorable. Oh, so cute. What do you think, guys? Look at that. Isn't it just cute? So I'll find some type of a ribbon to put around it, although it really doesn't need it. This would be beautiful just laid out on a table like this. It makes you want to flip through it. I just have to figure out what I'm going to do here, and then we will do the reveal. I will take you through, and I will show you everything that I created. And I'm hoping everyone has a wonderful weekend. Yes, I'm going to start doing, this is the first of my Saturday videos, and I hope to do Saturday and Sunday videos because I just don't seem to have enough time to get everything done. So hopefully you enjoyed this. Hugs to everyone. Have a great weekend. Bye, guys.